Hey again, everybody. This is Mr. Fitzpatrick here. Just wanted to now go over how to add and subtract fractions. In this little quick video, we're going to go over the steps to properly adding and subtracting fractions. So we'll start out here with the fractions of 3/4 and 2/3. If we add these together, we have to first find what we call our least common multiple of 4 and 3. Now here's a little tip. If you don't want to list all of the multiples of 4 and 3, you can simply multiply the two together. 4 times 3 will give you 12. And that right there, is a common multiple of 12. So 4 times 3 is going to give you 12. And you'll do the same thing for your right side. So then the question now becomes, or the process or the method, however you want to call it, is now let me change my color. So now 4 times what will give me 12? And the answer to that is going to be the number 3. What you do to the bottom, you're going to do to the top as well. 3 times 3 will be 9. Over here, 3 times what is going to give you 12? Is 3 times what will give you 12? We know that that is 4. So what you do to the bottom, you do to the top as well. 2 times 4 will be 8. Now what we have here, we have our common denominator of 12. That will stay the same. We then add 9 to 8, which you find out, we know, is 17. 17 over 12 is one of the ways of answering this. 17 over 12 is one way of writing it. If we want to put this into a mixed number, let me get my eraser here. Get some room on this side of my screen. So if we want to change 17 over 12 to a mixed number, we're going to take 12 and we're going to divide it into 17. So 12 goes into 17 one time. 1 times 12 is going to give you 12. 17 minus 12 will give you 5. Can 12 go into 5? The answer is no. So that 5 now becomes the new numerator of your mixed number. And what goes to the denominator will be what you have over here. Your answer to the initial question of 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3, your answer is either 17 over 12 or 1 and 5/12. And since this video went a couple more minutes than I intended on, I will make a separate video about subtracting fractions. Other than that, I hope this helps out at least somewhat. I know there's a lot of stuff on the screen there, but let me actually clear that off. But I hope that helps out a little bit. Obviously, reach out via the Google Classroom, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.